This is James Possible, aka DS Domination Dad, and I thought I would do a series of videos, simple videos, tutorials for those who are interested in trading binary options, Forex, stocks, or some other type of asset. Okay, primarily our focus is going to be binary options and the Forex in this series. So let's go ahead and move forward, talk about the price candle. And here is a simple candle example. I'll tell you more about it as we go into this. Now, a candle is just a way to represent visually a current price movement of a given asset. And by asset, I mean in Forex, it'd be a currency pair. In binary options, it could be a currency pair, it could be oil, it could be it could be a stock. For the purpose of trading. Now, there are three parts to the anatomy of a price candle, and you have the top portion of the price candle, which is also called the wick, the high pin, or even the upper shadow. You have the bottom portion of the price candle, which is the tail or the low pin or even the lower shadow. And then you have the main part of the candle, which is called the body or even the real body. Now, a price candle can be made of many different patterns. Okay, each pattern is going to represent a particular movement of price within a given period of time. So I'm just showing you some different examples of, the pattern of the candle is really only limited by the movement of the price within that period. So there is no limitation other than that. Now, each price candle or pattern can represent both a rise in price or a drop in price. And it can even represent no change, where that means the open and the close are actually going to be at the same price point. The pattern alone is not what tells you the direction of a price. The price candle color, along with the open, high, low, and close of the asset price for a given period, will be used to help you visually identify the direction of the price movement. So those four pieces, those four elements I mentioned. First, you have the open price, which can be on the top of the candle body, or it can be at the bottom of the candle body. Then you have the high price. The high price will always be at the very top, even if there is not a wick being displayed. Okay. The low price will always be at the bottom, even if, again, there's no tail or shadow at the bottom. The close price, just like the open price, can appear at the top of the candle body or at the bottom of the candle body. Then, and this is all of it, right? So in this case, the open price is above the close, so that means the price is moving down, it's dropping. Okay. When the close price is above the open price, the price is moving up. Now, in these examples, there are many ways to represent an up candle or a down candle, and I'll talk more about that in the next video. but I'm using red for down, green for up. Okay. Different systems vary and people have their own preferences, so this is just how I trade. Okay, my setup. Now, in summary, each price candle represents the current price movement of a given asset for the purpose of trading. So if you're looking at a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, hours, whatever that period of time is that you're tracking on your chart, that candle will represent that period of time. The price candle itself can contain 3 different parts. Okay, it won't always have all 3 parts to it, but there's the top wick, the high pin, also the high shadow. There's the bottom tail, the low pin or lower shadow, and then of course the candle body or real body. The price candle patterns will vary depending on the prices found within the current price period. So there's no telling what that candle is going to look like until it moves to the next period. Finally, each price candle represents 4 different prices, all known as the OHLC, and the O is the open price, the H is the high price, the L is the low price, and C is the close price of that particular period. So, like I said, this is just going to be a quick video tutorial, and I want to keep them all short. Coming up next will be the anatomy of price candles movement. So I'll go a little bit further into the candle and how we get to what we actually see on a chart. So the how and why of a price candle moving up and down in price. Again, this is James Possible. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Please subscribe, share your comments, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.